Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to ELC-Studies. Today we delve into the world of one of the greatest minds in human history, that is Aristotle. So get ready to explore the brilliant mind of the man who not only inspired the likes of Plato and Alexander the Great, but also laid the foundations for Western philosophy as we know it today. So we will explore the Aristotle's poetics, but before that, we will provide you a brief introduction on Aristotle, his life and works, why he wrote poetics, his aesthetics, and his theories. So let's take a start from who was Aristotle. He lived from 384 to 322 BC, and he was a Greek philosopher, scientist, and polymath. He was a student of Plato. He tutored Alexander the Great, and he made a significant contribution to Western philosophies. Fields includes metaphysics, ethics, politics, biology, and physics. His work is studied and influenced till yet. He left the academy after Plato's death in 347 BC and began teaching in the Lyceum, which he found himself. The Lyceum was a place where Aristotle and his followers would engage in philosophical discussions and conduct scientific research. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, we have many other videos on our channel that cover a variety of topics related to English, academic, and literature studies. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest content. You can also check out other videos by clicking on the links that appear on your screen now. We appreciate your support and hope to see you in our next video.